Hello students, welcome back to Infinite Engine. So today in this particular video we shall be continuing and solving the questions relating to percentage and its application. So now let's start solving the questions. So the first question of today's class is here. It is the price of a shirt is reduced by 15% on a discount sale. So in the month of April, in the starting of April, we have this reduction, isn't it? Okay, this is the reduction and discount is same thing. So we have 15% off in a shirt. Okay, if its present price is 123.25, find its original price. That is after reducing or after discounting 15% from the original price. Our present price of the shirt is rupees 125. Now we have to find what is the original price of the shirt. Okay, for example, consider the price of this shirt is what? The price of my shirt is rupees 123.25 after the discount of 15%. Okay, now we have to find the original price, that is without discount. What was its price? Clear? Okay. Now look, if we consider the let the price of the shirt be X, so let's find out the we'll write let the price of shirt equals rupees X. Okay, let the price of the shirt be rupees X. Okay, now 15% of X. Okay, so that reduction in price. Reduction in price equals what? 15% of X. 15% of X. Why 15% of X? We have reduced 15% of its original shirt, isn't it? That is of its original price, isn't it? মানে কি আমরা তার যে original price একটা আসলো হঠাৎ থেকে কিন্তু তার 15% কমাইছি না 15% of X will be what? 15% means 15 by 100. 5 into 3 is 15, 5 into 2 is 10. So it is 3x by 20. There is a reduction in the price is 3x by 20. Now look, here it is given that after reduction its present price is 123.25. Now can we write that is x minus reduction, isn't it? X minus reduction equals 123.25. Can we write this? Yes, we can write, because when we reduce, for example, our original price was what? Original price was x. Then we have reduced 15%. 15% of x means what? 3x by 20, and which results in price is 123. Our original price was rupees x. Okay, then we have reduced 15%, that is 3x by 20. So if original, for example, if original price is rupees 100, then if we reduce rupees 20, what will be the net price? It will be 100 minus 20, isn't it? 100 minus 20 is what? 80. So we have written this. Consider this is our original price, this is our reduction, and this is our now present price. Clear? Okay, so now what to do? We'll take LCM. So in this case it is denominator 1, so 20 divided by 1 is 20. 20 into x is 20x minus 3x equals 123.25. Up to this clear? Okay, now cross multiply, will multiply this with this, isn't it? So it will be 20x minus 3x. 20x minus 3x equals 123.25 into 20. Up to this clear? Okay, so now 20x minus 3x is how much? It is 17x equals, let's multiply. Look, 123.25 into 20. 0 0 0 0 0. 5 into 2 is 10, isn't it? 5 into 2 10, huh? Then 1 2 into 2 4 5 3 into 2 6 2 into 2 4 2 into 1 2. So it will be 0 0 5 6 4 2. After decimal 2 digits, we'll put decimal before 2 digit, so it will be 2 4 2 4 6 5. Okay, 2 4 6 5. Up to this clear? Okay. Now here 17 is multiplied with x, so when we change the sign, it will be divided, isn't it? So write x equals 2 4 6 5 divided by 17. Okay, now we can cancel it and we can find out the original price of the shirt. Okay, so here we can divide, or we can directly look 2 4 6 5 divided by 17. 17 into 1 is 17. So 14 minus 7 is how much? 14 minus 7, it is 7. Now 6. 17 into 5. 17 into 6. 17 into 4. 7, 28, 2. 17 into 4 is 68. Okay. 68. Then 16 minus 8 is 8. 85. 17 into 5 is 85. Okay. So the original price of the shirt is how much? X equals, so we'll write x equals 145, isn't it? So we'll write x equals 145. So what was x? X was the original price of the shirt. So we'll write therefore original price of the shirt. Original price of the shirt is rupees 145. So this is how we can find out the original price of the shirt. Okay, these are the very easy questions. Okay, just we have to know what is asked in the questions. So what was asked in the question, or what was given the question? In the question it was given that a shirt is there, of which after 15% reduction in price its cost rupees 123.25. okay, now we have to find the original price of the shirt. So we have considered, let original price of the shirt be x. Now we have, if the original price be x, so we have reduced 15% of x, isn't it? So 15% of x was 3x by 20. Okay, now original price was x, then we have reduced 15% of x, means reduced means subtracted. So this was original and we have subtracted, or we have reduced this and we got this, and then we have followed like this. Okay, and we got the result as x equals 145. So what was x? X was the original price of the shirt. I hope this is clear to you. Okay, now let us move to our next question. That is question number 15. Yes, question number 15. Okay, so next question is a very interesting question, and it is also very much important question from the examination point of view. Okay, so here the question is, the price of a sugar risen by 20%. Okay, the price of a sugar has risen by 20%. By how much percent a housewife reduced her consumption of sugar so as not to increase the expenditure on it? That means what? For housewife means what? For example, your mother. Okay, your mother will reduce how much? মানে কিটা একটা চিনির দাম কত বাড়িছে 20% বাড়িছে, এখন তোমার মায়া নাইলে গরুর জাসা কিটা করবা, কতক্ষণ চিনি খাওয়া কমাইবা যেন ইগো দাম বাড়িছে। সাপোজ আগে আসলো দাম আসলো কত, সাপোজ 100 রুপিস, হ্যাঁ, এখন 20% বাড়িছে তো কিতে হচ্ছে 120 রুপিস, ইজন্ট ইট? 20% 120 রুপিস। এখন তো যদি তোমার দাম খাওয়া সমান থাকে তো দামত তো বাড়িব না, 120 হয়ে যাব, বুঝছো নাকি? দেখো, if you are taking the same amount after increasing the price, that means you will cost more, isn't it? That is, you will cost rupees 120. Now, but in question it is said that you will not expend more on sugar, okay, rather you will take less sugar. মানে কি তোমাদের এই জো করতে না বেশি দাম দিয়ে চিনি লইতে না ও তোমার তার 100 টাকা দিয়ে লইবে আগর 100 টাকা দিয়ে লইবে তো কিতা করবা চিনি তো কম পাইবে না তেও যেন কতক্ষণ কমছে একটা কিতা করা লাগবো 12 করা লাগবো so how can we find out that so first thing we have to write let the price of sugar be rupees 100 isn't it so we'll write solution let price of sugar be rupees 100 isn't it this price of 1 kg sugar okay 1 kg sugar let price of 1 kg sugar be rupees 100 huh? Now increase in price or increased price will be what increased price will be rupees 100 plus 20% of 100 isn't it huh? So it is rupees 100 plus 20% means what 20 by 100 of 100 cancel so it is 120 increased price means it is original price plus increase okay so it is the total increased price so now the cost of 1 kg sugar is rupees 100 isn't so we'll write in rupees 120 she gets 1 kg sugar isn't it huh? Now the present price of 1 kg sugar is rupees 120 so we can write in rupees 1 she gets what 1 by 120 kg isn't it this is the unitary method isn't it so then again it in rupees 100 she gets what 100 by 120 eh? 120 kg sugar so 100 by 120 kg sugar is what 100 by 120 here 0 cancel isn't it then 2 5 then 2 6 so 5 by 6 isn't it 5 by 6 kg she get okay in one that is in rupees 100 মানে কিটা 100 টাকা তাই এখন কতখান পায় 5 by 6 পায় তখন কতখান কমছে আগে তো কত আসলে রে ও যে 120 1 কেজি হইতো না তখন রিডাকশন কত হইব সো উইল রাইট রিডাকশন মানে একটা হোল নাম্বার এগুলো কি দেয় এগুলো একটা ফ্র্যাকশন দিস ইজ এ ফ্র্যাকশন নাও এ হোল মিন্স কি দেয় ফুল হইলে কি হইব ফুল হইলে 6 1 হইব না বুঝছো তো reduction equals 1 minus 5 by 6 kg आगे तो 1 kg अंदर है 1 kg earlier the cost of 1 kg was rupees 120 okay or earlier they used to take 1 kg sugar now they are taking how much sugar 5 by 6 kg isn't it earlier how much with rupees 100 they used to take 1 kg sugar okay so we have written earlier one minus present one so we will get the total amount of reduced okay বুঝছো নি কিতা কইছে আগে কিতা আসলো তারা 1 কেজি চিনি লই জানেন 1 কেজি চিনি এখন কিতা করেন তারা 5 by 6 কেজি লই নেন so now we have to subtract 5 by 6 from 1 okay so let's will take LCM then it will be 6 minus 5 kg it will be what 1 by 6 kg okay 1 by 6 kg মানে কি তারা এখন 1 by 6 kg it is a decreased amount that is they have to decrease 1 by 6 kg okay not to so that their expenditure does not increase মানে কি তারা এখন 1 by 6 kg চিনি কমাইতে লাগবে বুঝছেন কি তেও কি তার এক্সপেন্ডিচার বাড়িতন now we have to express this in the percentage okay so what how to decrease percentage means what decrease amount by total amount so decrease amount here is 1 by 6 isn't it so total amount is what 1 isn't it so decrease amount by total amount into 100 is it? So we'll find out easy very easy questions right and this one is very interesting also you will find same question in class 8 also same questions in class 8 exact same So now we'll write now a reduction percentage, okay, percent of housewife in her, so we'll write reduction reduction percentage. So will be what? Decreased amount. Decreased amount is what? 1 by 6 divided by total amount. Total amount was what? 1, isn't it, into 100. So 1 by 6 divided by 100 is what? Sorry, 1 by 6 divided by 1 is what? 1 by 6 into 100. So isn't it? So numerator into numerator, it will be 100 divided by 6. Now 100 divided by 6 is how much? 100 divided by 6, we can here also guess catch. 2 into 3, 250, isn't it? So it is 50 by 3. Now we can express it in the okay, here we have to put this percent sign, isn't it? Now we can express it in the mixed fraction, okay? So 50 divided by 3 is how much? 3 into 16. 3 into 16. Look. 3 into 1 is 3, then 2, 0. 3 into 6 is 18, then 2, isn't it? So it will be 3, 16 plus 2%. That is 16 into 2 by 3%. Okay. So at last we will write, therefore the housewife should reduce 16.23% so as not to increase the expenditure on it. Okay, that means this housewife will have to reduce this much percent, so not to increase the expenditure. Okay, so the last conclusion line will be like this. Therefore the housewife should reduce, therefore the housewife should reduce 16 in 2 by 3% so as not to increase the expenditure. I hope this is clear to you, isn't it? Okay, what was given the question? It was given that the price of sugar is increased by 20%. Okay, now it is asked that a housewife should how much reduce the consumption. Consumption means what? Taking. Okay, how much the housewife should reduce the consumption so as not to increase the expenditure. এখন দেখো স্যার, যদি একটা জিনিসের দাম বাড়ে তো যদি সেম জিনিস আনে, হ্যাঁ, যদি একটা জিনিসের দাম বাড়ে, আগে সাপোজ আমি তো এক কেজি আমি তো 100 টাকা দিই, এখন যদি দাম বাড়ছে কত 20% তো হয়েছে কত 120 টাকা, তখন 1 কেজির দাম 120 টাকা হয়ে যাবে না। এখন যদি 1 কেজি দোকানে আনা যায়, what will be the cost? It will be rupees 120, isn't it? Okay, now in question it is said that that housewife doesn't want to expend more on the sugar, she will expend the same amount, so rupees 100. so আগে আসলো 100 টাকা, 100 টাকা দিয়ে 1 কেজি, এখন 120 টাকা দিয়ে 1 কেজি, এখন কি 100 টাকা দিয়ে দাম বাড়ার পরে কি 100 টাকা দিয়ে 1 কেজি হইব না? হয়তো না, তো একটু কম পাইব না, ও কম একটা কিন্তু করতে না, পার্সেন্টেজ বার করতে, বুঝছো? So first of all we have done that, let the price of 1 kg sugar be 100, isn't it? Now increased price will be what? Original price plus percent increase, isn't it? Original price was 100, then percent increase 20% of 100, so it will be 120, isn't it? So now the present price of the sugar is rupees 120. Okay, so after that we have written, in rupees 120 she gets 1 kg sugar, in rupees 1 she gets 1 by 120 kg sugar, isn't it? This is the unitary method which you are following from the, I think, class 3-4 standard. Okay, now in rupees 100, isn't it, she will bought তাই তো এখন 100 টাকার তো উপরে তো যাইতো না, তো in rupees 100 she will get 100 by 120 kg sugar, isn't it? So 100 by 120 it was something 1 by 6, isn't it? 100 by 20 we are after considering it was 5 by 6, isn't it? 5 by 6 এর মানে কি, তাই 100 টাকা যখন কত খান পায় 5 by 6 পায়, আর আগে তাই কত হইতো 1 কেজি হইতো, বুঝছো? তো আমরা পরে মাইনাস করিয়া দেখছি তাই কত খান কমছে 1 by 6 কমছে। সো 1 by 6 we have to express in percentage, isn't it? 1 by 6 তো তাই কমছে না দেখুন। So now we have to convert into reduction percentage. So reduction percentage was reduced amount by total, So reduced amount is 1 by 6 and total is 1 into 100%. So 1 by 6 divided by 1 is 1 by 6 into 100. Then we have cancelled. Then it is 50 by 3. Now 50 by 3 is expressed in the mixed fraction. Up to this also you can write. Up to this also you can write. Okay, no problem. So after that we have write the conclusion line. Therefore the housewife should reduce 16.23% so as to not increase the expenditure. After this clear? Very good. Okay, so now let's move to our next question, that is question number 16. Okay, so next question is about two men, okay, A and B. So A's income is 20% more than B, okay. Now we have to find how much percent of income of B is less than that of A. Huh? How to find it? It is same as question number 7, okay. The question was the salary of an employee is increased by 20%. By what percent should the new salary be reduced to restore the original salary, okay. You may think that 20% increase then decrease 20%, it will be the original salary. No, it is not like this, okay. Because first case it will be 20% of a small number, isn't it? Huh? And after increasing it will be a large number from the previous, isn't it? So 20% of that number will be more, isn't it? Okay. So how to find out? We have to consider whose salary higher. Here A we have to consider A's salary or B's salary. Look, there is a relation. A's income is 20% more than that of B. That is, if we consider the salary of B, we can write the salary of A. Okay. So let's write salary of B as rupees 100. So let solution. Now let the income of B equals rupees 100. Huh? Therefore income of A will be what? Income of A will be what? 100 plus 20% more, isn't it? 20% more than B. So income of A will be what? Rupees 100 plus 20% of 100, isn't it? So it will be 100 plus 20 out of 100 into 100. So the income of A is income of B is rupees 100 and income of A is rupees 120. Okay. Now we can find what is the difference between their salaries, isn't it? So the difference of salary, difference of salary will be what? 120 minus 100 give here rupees, so it will be rupees 20. I hope up to this clear, isn't it? We have just, don't think that salary of B is 100, okay. We have considered let the income of B is rupees 100. So therefore according to question, income of A will be what? 100 plus 20%, isn't it? Because it is 20% more than that of B. So it is 120. Now the difference is what? Difference is rupees 120. We have to convert this 20 into percentage, isn't it? Look, how much percent is the income of B less than that of A? Income of B, how much income is less than that of A? এতে কিন্তু B কত income কম রে? 20 rupees 20. Now we have to convert this rupees 20 into percentage. Okay. So what? How is it right? Required percentage, isn't it? Required percentage will be what? Required percentage will be, or reduced percentage, you can write anything. Reduced percentage will be what? Reduced amount. Reduced amount is what? 20. Original amount of A. We will consider here amount of A, okay. Amount of A is what? 120 into 100 and percent. 0 0 2 1 is 2 2 6 is 2. So it is 1 by 6 into 1 0 0. So it will be 100 by 6. So it will be 50 by 2. So it will be 2 50 by 3. 50 by 3. So it will be 3 into 16 divided by 2%. After this clear? বুঝুনি নাকি তাহলে এই কোশ্চেন হইছে এর স্যালারি বি থেকে 20% বেস্ট তো আমরা বির স্যালারি ধরছি কত 100 that air income hoto 100 plus 20% of 100, then the difference of the salary will be what? 120 minus 20 100 and rupees 20. তার দুটা ডিফারেন্স হতো ₹29 the question is how much percent is the income of B less than the income of B কত হলে in B এর income কত less এর থেকে 20 so 20 গুণ আমরা কিটা করছি percentage so required percent is what 20% reduced amount by original হার consider এবং B এর income হার তুলনায় মানে হার with reference to whom with reference to A isn't it so we have taken the A's income so 20 divided by 120 then this finish okay so we'll write how much percent is the income of B so we'll write 16 into therefore 16 into 2 by 3 percent income 16.3% income of B I can see income of B is less than A okay if you have any doubt please ask me okay I will explain you either directly or we'll discuss the problems in the next class okay so now if you have I think if you are cleared so now let's move to the next question that is question number 18 okay so 18 is easy okay let's solve the question number 18 okay so here the question is an ore contains 18% of copper how many kg of ore are required to get 63 kg of copper ore means what in Bengali we can say there is a word khone isn't it that is source okay an ore contains 18% of copper how many kg of ore are required to get it 63 kg means what an ore means for example an amount of anything okay contains 63 18% of copper of this 18% is copper Cu means copper okay now how many kg total what how many kg will be required to get 63 kg ore isn't it suppose 1 kg from 1 kg will get how much 18 that is 18% of 1 kg will get if we take 1 kg ore from that we will get 18% of 1 kg isn't it okay now like this how many kg will be required to get 63 kg okay 63 kg so what will take let the kg be x okay let the amount of ore be x let the amount of ore be x question kita কইছে বুঝছেন question হইছে একটা ওর থেকে আমরা কত পার্সেন্ট পাই 18% কপার পাই তখন কতখান ওর লাগবো মানে কত কেজি ওর লাগবো যার থেকে আমরা কিটা পাইবো 63 কেজি ওর পাইবো বুঝছেন 63 কেজি ওর এখন আমরা কিটা করছি টোটাল অ্যামাউন্ট let the amount of ore be x তো x or 18% হইব না নি 63 কেজি x তো আমরা কি জানি না তো ওটা তো বার করতাম না টোটাল অ্যামাউন্ট 18 কেজি total amount of 18% কত হইব 63 কেজি দেন so according to question we will write 18% of x 18% of x equals 63 বুঝছেন কি তা কইছে so 18% means what 18 by 100 x equals 63 huh so it is here we can cancel with 2 9 then 250 so it will be 9x by 50 equals 63 so now cross multiply okay this will be multiplied with this and 9 will be multiplied with the denominator so it will be x equals 63 into 50 divided by 9 then 9 into 1 is 9 9 into 7 9 into 7 is 63 so x equals 7 into 50 7 into 50 is how much it is 350 because 5 into 7 is 35 then 0 so x is what x is the amount of ore so we'll be right therefore the amount of ore is 350 kg that is from 350 kg ore we will get 63 kg of copper বুঝছেন কোশ্চেনে কিতা কইছে an ore contains 18% of copper মানে একটা অ্যামাউন্ট অফ ওর থেকে কত পার্সেন্ট হয় 18% কপার পাই আমরা তো কোশ্চেন কইছে কত কেজি ওর লাগবো then total আমরা 63 কেজি কপার পাইলাম তো আমরা কত কেজি কো জানি নি আমরা নো সো উই লেট দ্য অ্যামাউন্ট অফ দ্য ওর বি x তো x for 18% আমার ফাইনাল x for 18% পাইয়া কত হয় 63 কেজি হয় তো উইল রিটেন 18% of x is this then we have solved this and we got the amount of ore as 350 kg. Okay, now if you don't believe, if you find 18% of 350, 18% তুমি যখন 18% of 350 বার করো তুমি কত হইব 63 you can find it yourself or you can verify it yourself. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. If you don't, please ask me. Okay, now let us move to our next and the last question of today's class, this exercise, that is question number 17. Okay, so the question is about a car. Here the value of that car decreases annually by 20%. Okay, annually means what? In 1 year, annually decreases by 20%. If the present value of the car is 3,45,000 and what will be its value after 2 years? Okay, that means after 2 years we have to find the value of that car. Now the value of the car is decreasing by 20%, isn't it? So in first year it will decrease by 20% of that, then it will be we'll find one answer, then after then again we have to find 20% of that answer and decrease. Okay, if you don't understand now, let's solve this, you will understood. Okay, so now first thing we have to write 20% of x. Okay, here we have to write if the present value of the car, present value of car মানে কি দা কোশ্চেন কিটা কইছে একটা কারের দাম হতো রে ₹3,45,000 এখন এই car the value of the car decreases by 20% 1 year, 20% annually. Okay, now we have to find what will be the value of that car after 2 years. Okay, so now let's find out how the value of the car decreases annually by 20%. So now we'll write decrease in value, for first year কত first year 20% of this, isn't it? 20% of ₹345,000, isn't it? Yeah. So 20% means what? 20 divided by 100 of means what? Into ₹345,000. These two quench, these two get. Then 350 into okay, 5 into 2 is how much? 5 into 2 it is 10, 1, 5, 4 into 2 is 8, then 9, 3 into 2 is how much? 6, 9, then this double 0. Okay, that is this amount decreased in the first year. Okay, means this is the 20% of this amount. Okay, so this amount decreased in the first year. So if this amount decreased in the first year, so what will be the value of that car after 1 year? So we'll write a value of car after 1 year. Value of car after 1 year will be what? This amount minus this amount, isn't it? Will be ₹345,000 minus 69,000. Okay, now let's subtract this 345 then 69. Now 15 minus 9 is how much? 15 minus 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 6, isn't it? 6. Here it is how much? 13. 13 minus 6 is how much? 7, isn't it? 7. So it will be here 276. It is ₹276,000. Okay, that is after 1 year the value of the car is ₹276,000. Okay, now we have to find the value of the car after 2 years. Okay, then that means we have to consider 1 more year. Okay, so we'll write here decrease in value for second year, isn't it? For second year. Okay, for second year will be what 20% of this or this 20% it will be of this amount and fuller বছরে তো দাম অত আসলো এর পরে দাম কমে কত হইছে 2,76,000 হইছে এখন 2,76,000 আরো 20% কম বাড়ান then what we write here we write rupees 2,76,000 it is 276,000 276,000 gotcha now we have to multiply with this and this so 6 into 2 is how much 6 into 2 is 12 1 7 into 2 is 14 plus 1 15 1 2 into 2 is 4 then plus 1 5 then this 2 0 that means this amount will decrease okay look in the first year it decreased from 6 lakh 1,000 10,000 69,000 in the second year it is decreasing 55,200 why because the amount is decreasing okay if the amount is decreasing then this বুঝছো নাকি ফার্স্ট ইয়ার কত আসলো ফার্স্ট ইয়ার আসলো 3,45,000 20% of 3,45,000 will be greater amount isn't it then 20% of this okay so 20% of 3,45,000 is how much 69,000 and 20% of rupees this will be how much 55,200 okay বুঝছো নাকি তখন এটা ডাইরেক্ট তোমাদের কিটা করিও না ডাইরেক্ট 20% of 3,45,000 মারিয়া into 2 করিও না বুঝছো নাকি তখন this is percentage okay this is nothing else so now we will write value of car after second year value of car after second year okay value of car after second year will be what value of car after second year will be rupees 276,000 minus 55,200 isn't it yes so it will be 276,000 00255 0 then 10 minus 2 is how much 10 minus 2 it is 8 isn't it so 5 minus 5 is 0 then 7 minus 5 what is it 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 0 0 10 minus 2 it is what 8 then 5 minus 5 0 then 7 minus 5 is how much 7 minus 5 it is 2 then 2 2 so it will be 2,20,800 okay so right there for the value of the car after second year is 2,20,800 oh sorry okay I hope you have understood how I have solved this if you have understood very well good if you don't understood then rewind the video you will understand okay so that therefore value of car after 2 years after 2 years is rupees 2,20,800 okay so if you want to buy a car of rupees 3,45,000 then you wait 2 years it will be decreased into rupees this okay if it is decreasing by 20% I hope this was just for fun okay so I hope this is clear to you so if it is clear then let's end it here before that stay safe stay blessed and meet you in the next class bye bye